Hey friends, welcome back to the Growth Life, where you're courageous enough to embrace uncertainty, brave enough to love diversity, and smart enough to realize that you don't know everything. Today's focus is you and relationships. Is there something out there that you said or did in your life that you're not so proud of? Are you privately or secretly paying this emotional price for it? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Most people out there are holding on to at least one thing or one time in their life where they feel fear, pain, regret, remorse, maybe even guilt or shame. This is common for people to fantasize about how they would do it over again if they were given a second chance, how this would impact them, how they would change what they say or how they reacted. This is a normal aspect of being human and part of your soul's growth path. You are greatly impacted by these significant moments. And what you have to realize is there's no right or wrong. There is no way to do it over again, but guess what? There's an ability to change moving forward. So we all have the ability to forgive and to be forgiven. Remember, communication is huge when it comes to relationships. So don't forget about that. We can communicate all the time with our actions, with our words, with our body language. But remember, everybody does it differently. Often you'll see people that communicate just with their words. But remember, we have two ears and one mouth. Maybe we should spend twice as much time listening and half as much time talking. Guys, if this was helpful, please feel free to share it with friends and family. Hashtag us at The Growth Life. And remember, today's focus is you and what you're growing through.